Hey guys, how's it going? X4 lens guard. If you guys have the standard lens guard, which comes with the camera, it's really this one's actually relatively easy to remove and put on because the lens guard itself is relatively small profile. Now, if you buy the premium lens guard, which is an excellent lens guard, it's a little bit stronger, it's made out of glass. It's a little bit bigger, so it protrudes a little bit more, so the bubble is actually a little bit bigger. So what that means is the bezel is the same, but because it's sticking out so much, it's a little hard to get a grip on the bezel. So putting it on is a little bit easy because you just kind of have to grab that edge and just turn it a little bit, but it slips a little bit because the bubble's so big. Getting it off, however, it's a different story because I had a tough time getting it off because the bubble was so big that you couldn't get a grip on the bezel, the edge bezel, to turn it. So I kind of did up a tool. Even this, it's just a little bit easier to use. This is a tool I designed. So it's basically a little wrench, and it has a little teeth in it to grab onto the outer edge ring. The nice thing about using this is you don't really touch the glass too much. So you just grab onto it, turn it, and it pops right off, and you've got the bezel right in here. You can just put it aside. Okay, and you can just grab one of the ones here, and you can just put it on here. You can grab onto it with this if you want. Okay, now this is where this comes in handy. So when you got on here, this one is really bubbly because it's hard for me to get a hold of a good grip on that edge because the bubble's bigger, right? So that's where this tool comes in. I have to just put it down and grab it, and I just have to turn it. And when it clicks in, you're lined up and you're good to go, right? And that's the easy part. Getting it off is really hard. I tried for like 10 minutes trying to get this off, and I couldn't get it off just because if you look at the two, the bubble is much bigger than the original lens guard, the standard one. So this one you can actually get a grip of the outer ring with your finger or your nails, whereas this one you can't because the bubble, it's big that it kind of gets in the way, so you kind of slip a lot of times. And by the time you get it off, you're smudging the glass and everything with it, right? So that's what this is nice, because I don't have to touch that glass and I don't smudge it up. Well, I just pop it in and I just squeeze it and it just rotates, pops right out. And I can pick this one up. Grab that. I see where that. So the arrow's right there. So I just have to line up the bezel, drop it down, and then once I got it lined up, I just turn it, and it's in there. Nice and easy. All right, guys, hope that helps. I'll put this, you have to 3D print this. I'll put this in my description, the link for it. You can download it, the STL file, and you can do a 3D print if you want on it. Okay, guys, enjoy, have fun.